today Deakin Sikh Society did a kirtan open to all turban-tying competition where we offered everyone to get on the stage and experience the crown. We call our turban our crown because it's a blessing by our Guru Sahib and it has got millions and millions of sacrifices behind it.
We used to celebrate this festival with our family, but right now I'm studying in Deakin College, and after coming to Australia, this is my family, I can say.
Diwali is a festival of colors and lights. All the family members come together to celebrate this special occasion. Here at Deakin College, we are trying to get the same ambience of our home country, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka in this place. It's really amazing to have all of us here.